Are you listening? Damn.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company coming at you today with another kind of quick juice review. Not so much a review as much as a notice for you guys. So Blackhouse Vapor Company just released a full VG, let's see if we can get this, a full VG line of juice. So we've got mango, peach, and blueberry full VG. That means the flavoring is VG based, so you're getting 100% VG out of these juices. And these are a great deal, guys. I just wanted to kind of make a public service announcement about these, I guess. Not so much a review, as much as it is just telling you guys about these flavors. So we have 3 full VG flavors that we're selling 60 ml bottles of, 0, 3, and 6 for $20. And that, if you guys don't know about 100% VG juices, is a fantastic price. If you look at the other lines out there of 100% VG juice, you're going to be paying probably double that, at least $10 more, but usually about double that, like 25 bucks for a 30 ml bottle of full VG. So these are a great deal, and they are fantastic. In terms of flavor, they're super punchy, super accurate flavors. My personal favorite is the mango. I'm also a peach fan. I'm less of a blueberry fan, but people have been loving all 3 of these flavors. They're all fantastic. The house juice deal also applies to these guys as well, so that means 2 for $35. 2 bottles for $35. So that's 120 mils of 100% VG juice for 35 bucks. It's absolutely ridiculous. So guys, come on down. If you haven't tried these 100% VG juices, I highly recommend you do. Obviously, these guys aren't going to be available online. Our online website is for wholesaling only, so if you do have a wholesale account, you're more than welcome to check these guys out on there. If not, you can come on down to the shop, 9th East, 2148 South, Suite 3. So come on down, check out these flavors, and more coming in the future for the 100% VG. If people keep liking them, they've been loving them so far, so we'll keep trying different VG flavors. But if you haven't tried them, definitely try them out. All right, thanks guys, we'll see you next time.
Are you listening? Damn.